Alright, man, let's skip to the video. Yeah, let's get right to it, man. Yeah, she look good. I'm fucking with the bob, too. I'm fucking with the bob, man. Why she got food on the floor anyway? Look like a BBL. That shit look good, though. Damn. Yeah. Make that shit clap. Bro, this nigga here, bro. I'm not subscribing to your fucking Patreon, nigga. Next time, just show that shit, bro. Yeah, do it, yeah. One more time. Clap that shit one more time. God damn. She needs some more weight though, like it don't match completely. Yeah, she just need to gain like 10 more pounds, I feel like. This nigga's so corny, bro. I ain't gonna lie, some of his little punchlines do be here, but that was just corny. I thought left was goal and right was stay, nigga. This the funny nigga. I forgot what video I saw him in, but this nigga funny. I don't know shit about signs, man. When bitches be talking about that shit, I just play along. Like I know what the fuck they talking about. What's wrong with her? Niggas talking about kneecaps, bro. You can't fucking kneecap, nigga. Why you worried about that shit? So she got like that ashy look going. Unibrow crack. Come on, bro. Y'all ain't gotta do her like that. She don't even look that. She really don't look bad at all, to be honest. She got a nice little body. Ugly than a mother. Come on, baby. You ain't got all that much leeway to be talking about folks, man. How you gonna say stop disrespecting them? You right with them. You just as bad. I'm fucking with her, man. Little light skin shit. Bambi just said stop disrespecting them. Just to be on their ass even worse.
She been chewing on wood blocks. And had yellow crayons all her life. Yeah. Oh, damn, not the yellow
On her ass. She looked good to me too, man. I would have kept her.
I'm finna deny you.
She too strong for me, man. I ain't fucking with it. I don't got nothing against her. The buffaloes, but her arms too. Nah. I still don't know, man. It's enough. Well, she started clapping that shit like that. I might change my mind, but for right now, it's enough for you, man. He don't even look like a bitch though. Nobody kidnapping her ass, man. You can share. Them niggas sick, man. That's a crazy train, man. You push up to the crib, it's a hole in there that wanna fuck everybody in this Bambi, nigga. Come on, man. To each his own, though, man. I know some niggas that'll go crazy. There's some niggas out there that'll kill over that shit, bro. Dead ass. I don't know. She look good, man. She ain't all that, but she look good.
She gonna beat your ass. You was such a. Alright, get out the way. It's for me. Get out the way. It's for me. Bring your ass on up here. Bring your fat fire. He finding a motherfucker. Go. Get out the way. You ain't finna stop my. Stop that blocker. I like a nigga. I ain't holding your ass back. Go loose, nigga. Get loose. Why you ain't bringing no taco back? Oh, baby, you want some? Hold on, let me. You ain't bringing me no taco back? Hold on, let me. That shit must say about me.
This nigga Eric gotta be drunk, man. He tripping. This nigga Eric definitely cock blocking. Full speed.
We're gonna get married tomorrow.
Then he gonna kick her shit? Come on.
Mama,
In a real way, why you gonna do my baby? In a real way, why you gonna do my baby? My
you
baby
ain't
feel like
pay for
that,
that.
baby. I'ma come back to school. He just did you. Don't pull a nigga jacket though. Dead homie.
I don't get no nigga. Don't even play with me.
Fuck.
Don't even play with me.
Nigga just kicked her food over for what? Why your food on the floor anyway? But why he kick her shit over?
Yeah. And he gonna be playing stepdaddy. Yeah. Yeah. He gonna be ready. I don't get no fucking nothing. Now make sure you run that. Make that cost $30.
That ain't nothing.
Run that. Run
That ain't nothing.
Run it.
Dead homies. That
Run
ain't
it.
nothing.
Run it.
I ain't giving you no 50 because you ain't worth that much.
What the niggas buy? Yeah, you talking about? You better and I know big hoe. Cause you talking about nigga big 3 or 4.
Alright, y'all ready?
Call the next here. Call
Been dead ass. Nigga, all my just got red bottoms, so.
next nigga, please. Next nigga.
Bruh, you can't tell me that nigga Aaron ain't drunk, bruh.
Yeah, man, you a little hungry though.
What you doing?
Hey, if you take her on a date, she
Where you
hungry
going?
all the time. Where you gonna take her at?
What's her name?
Where you gonna take her at?
My name Ted, but I
You know what I'm saying?
Ted. Okay, Ted.
my name Ted.
She about to go off. I know she gonna go off on this nigga.
Nice to meet you.
Taking her to eat at first.
Can you shut the up? Shut the up.
Where else what?
My mama, y'all.
Where you going? On your mama what? Nigga, call whoever. Dead homies, I ain't going nowhere.
I like your hair.
We can't. We don't even hear Brass. Nobody listen to
What
dude.
you say?
So I like your hair.
Thank you. I like your outfit. What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Virgo.
To the left.
Ain't just like that. Come on, Virgo.
I like the fit. I like the fit.
Here she go with that sign shit, man.
You a Virgo. I don't
Bitches really be like that in real life. Like, bro, bitch, you don't know me. How you, just cause of my sign?
So like really, at the time, I might not be a Virgo. I might be something you.
you a Virgo, bye.
What's wrong with Virgos? I'm a Virgo.
For you, I might make an exception. But I don't fuck with Virgos. Like, y'all some weird ass people.
it's the
Like,
energy right here.
y'all some weird ass people. Like, I don't fuck with y'all. I don't get your ass to the left.
Alright, so you live smooth.
Smooth shit, cool shit.
Yeah.
I take one for the team.
Yeah.
You get the next person.
I got that same fucking shirt, but extra large. Extra large. Hey, girl. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like when people come up here with glasses. Let me see your eyes. Oh, you actually cute. You look fine, little shit. Give me a spin. That ass ain't poking, baby. But it ain't. I said it ain't. You ain't got no.
She alright. Give her like a 7, something like that.
She hating. I'd like to chew them panties off your booty right now.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? In a real way, baby.
In a real-
Definitely qualified. So, what she talking about?
Shoot the panties off?
No, they just my egg growing every day. You know,
Your hair growing head
my
day.
egg growing every day.
In a real way. Chew them motherfuckers off. In a real way, baby. You are qualified. I'll see you on the next round. She talking about though.
Thank you.
I'm seeing
Why you mugging up, man?
I ain't gonna lie, your toes just give me. You want to look down.
Look, you ain't got to worry about talking. Okay, wait. Hey, Southside Marie on well here now. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't even got to do all that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. So why you sitting here having a discussion with her though?
I got
You
you.
know what I'm saying?
I'm gone. Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
She cute as fuck. She give me very much. I've been working for a man every night and day.
Oh, nah, baby, I don't work.
You know, okay, that is a well-worked job. Bitch. We have a job.
I have a job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you do? Be honest.
What I do is, I get money in different types
Okay, I know.
We don't want to disclose.
You know, police might be watching.
Facts.
You hear me? Yeah.
No federal.
Yeah.
What you say?
I ain't really fucking with her, man. I don't like the way she built.
For money.
You're qualified.
I don't like the way she stand
Money
either.
for free.
You talking about because I say you that. But I ain't gonna lie, friend. I would never wear them shoes with that
My
dress.
legs is not ashy.
Oh, no. I said I would never wear them shoes with that dress.
First of all, it's gold and silver. Match my bag.
Where?
Thank you.
Alright, so Aaron, what you say? I mean, she's disqualified. In a real way, she's.
I ain't gonna lie, I gotta go.
My legs are not ashy. Talk about.
It's not.
First of all, it's 80 degrees. You got on a bubble coat.
She's wearing red bottoms.
Why the fuck do he got a bubble coat on?
Bling the fuck out. Let's not. How you real in the world way?
This is just it.
Give me some money though. Give me about like $50.
Just, you know what I'm saying?
Give me bitch, what you gonna do with $50?
Red bottoms. You know what I'm saying? Your heels.
First of all, you got on a bubble coat in 80-degree weather. You're sweating under that. I bet you your black shirt got. I bet you your black shirt got fucking deodorant stains on
This hoe she just came out to argue, man. She don't know what the hell she out there for.
Y'all sending me left?
Yes, we're gonna see you now.
Fuck out of here.
Fred, I like
She
you.
don't know what the fuck she out there for.
Thank you,
We
baby.
like you, but what you gotta want a hug?
Yeah.
I give you a hug.
Hi, girl.
Good, but we gotta see you left. We gotta see you left.
Whatever, Ninja Turtle. With f***ing camel. Your shits don't even look good. Come on, I'm a stylist, though. Come on, if you need me, hire me. Bellico stylist.
That nigga do need a stylist, gang.
Come on, you need me. You need a stylist. Get out of here.
That nigga do need a stylist.
Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em. To the right, to the right, to the left, to the left. Bring it up, bring it up. Take it back, take it back. Let's live, baby. You are bitch. You are bitch.
They got that big girl telepathy going on right there, man.
Shake 'em. What's up?
Down and get 'em low, girl.
Oh, y'all having a good night?
Yeah.
You did your big one.
Thank
I was at home. You said suck a nigga from the back of the dad. Oh, what? I was like,
I was just finna say I fuck with her energy, man. Now she on that freaky shit.
It's gonna come real.
you did your big
I
one.
want you to go right. I like them titties. Just shaking real.
That's what she got them too.
Alright, so Aaron, how you feeling?
Damn, I'm feeling like shit, a little too freaky. You know what I'm saying? Them talking about eating ass and some other
Facts.
shit. I don't like.
Way too freaky. We ain't fucking with that, man.
I want her.
You gonna make a nigga's
I
ass?
want her. She make me feel like mamacita.
Or you gonna suck a nigga's from the back and make his asshole clap?
Yeah, you wanna figure out how I do it?
His ass is clapping on your tongue? That's how you getting down?
See, he a little bit too intrigued, man. It sound like he trying to figure out.
You going right. You going
Sound like he trying to experience that shit.
Hold on, can we get an answer to my question for that?
Go back up there. What was your question? Let him go, Bambi.
My question is, she said she gonna suck a nigga from the back and make his asshole clap. So do you make niggas' assholes clap
You wanna find out?
in a real way? I definitely don't wanna find. I'm just
It sound like, hey, nigga, you done asked about 4 or 5 times. It sound like you want to find out, nigga.
asking a question, but that's you on that love dating show, babe, because I'm interested in you. You know what I'm saying? You so good that you're gonna make my asshole clap.
Nigga, can you?
She said clap.
We can go to the back and you can figure it out.
I'm not trying to figure it out. I'm just
Then why ask the question?
Nah, hey, man, that nigga drunk. His inner plumber coming out. Nigga trying to make it. Nigga want some of that super head, make his asshole clap. What the fuck?
in a real way. I'm trying to get back on all that big ass thing, man. You know what I'm saying?
I would never let you eat this.
Alright, so how we feeling?
You need to focus on her. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Ray. How y'all doing?
Nah, we doing.
She look good.
Show his ass.
Oh, I hear.
Hey, okay. Well, how old you is?
I'm 22.
If I got your feet done like hers,
Uh-huh.
you know what I'm saying? Would you be okay with that? Was that okay?
Shit, look at that. Put our feet together. Put our feet together. Mine look better.
Do it look like she spent $1,000 on these?
Never 1,000, but I spent like 200. Matter of fact, I didn't spend nothing.
Damn, why he just trying to talk shit to Bambi like that, man?
So, yeah.
I'm not qualified.
You're qualified.
Qualified for you?
You're qualified.
I spent $1,000.
You're qualified.
Zoom in on these motherfuckers.
Don't zoom in on these motherfuckers.
He worried about the wrong thing, man. That hoe look good.
I'll do. I'm with her. You. What you talking about?
In a real way, I love her right here. This is my babe right here. Okay. This is my babe right here. I'm trying
Oh, you know how old you is. Bitch.
babe, don't push me off. I'm trying to get attached to you.
What's the old ass man?
45. You can have her, baby.
Hold on, wait. You the same age as my mama. You might be my daddy.
Yeah, I want to bite that pooper.
I'm trying to see what this man. Hold on, wait, no. Shut up. What that shit this man talking about? It's 45.
Nigga said I want to bite that fupa.
Baby.
Bruh, sick as fuck.
You don't look 45. Your chain real?
Yes, sir, indeed.
Yes, sir. I'm a fucking man.
Indeed.com. Where your booty go?
The same place.
Bruh said high as fuck, but that nigga Aaron hell, bruh. I ain't gonna lie though, man. Bambi lose about 100 pounds.
To the right.
That shit might be talking about something. That gray wig, I don't know.
All night. To the
It's
right.
doing something to me, man.
You ain't to the right all night.
I eat, so you know what I'm saying? I eat, so you know what I'm saying?
You a man.
I don't know.
You a big girl. You ever dated a big girl? My point is that
See, Aaron trying to clown her and shit, bro, but it's real deal niggas out there gotta take that shit down, gang. I know a few niggas myself that will kill that shit right now.
Hey, what's up? I'm Gigi.
You're Gigi, you're
She got a fucking box body.
Thank you.
Can I get a 360? That's all you.
Nah, I ain't fucking with it, man. That shit,
BBL.
You still look
uh,
Thank you.
that shit don't look good.
Thank you.
Hey, you fine.
It's her upper body to lower body ratio off, bro. Like
You gotta keep your distance a little bit.
her lower body, like
I ain't qualified.
80% of her or some shit.
I'm not finna